In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Elevenlabs in just 5 minutes. So, whether you're seeking to explore a different language for your voice generation projects, or merely improving your settings, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Elevenlabs' official site, which is a robust platform for text-to-speech and AI voice generation. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to sign into your account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be swiftly directed to the login page. Here, you can enter your credentials, your email and password to access your account. Don't worry, if you've forgotten your login details, there are always convenient password retrieval and reset options available. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Elevenlabs homepage. This hub serves as your starting point for all the features and tools the platform offers. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Voices section. This area is filled with an impressive selection of voice options varying in tone and style. Clicking on the Voices link will bring additional customization tools to your screen. Next, you'll see a button labeled Filters. Clicking on it will allow you to tailor your voice selections by various criteria, including tone, style, and, crucially, language. By engaging this filter, you set yourself up to find exactly the type of voice you're looking for, ensuring your text-to-speech outputs are perfect for any context. Now, onward to the language field, which should now be visible on your screen. Clicking here will open a drop-down menu where you can view the diverse languages available. If you're venturing into using foreign language settings for the first time, this menu is indispensable. It's crafted to accommodate different international audiences and offers a fantastic resource for creating content that's globally accessible. Subsequent to this, it's time for the final selection. Click on Choose Language from the drop-down. As you make your selection, ensure it aligns well with your project requirements. Your chosen language will immediately set the tone for all subsequent operations within the platform, personalizing the interface in a way that reflects your preferences. And that's it! You've successfully modified the language settings on Elevenlabs. With these simple steps, managed from the comfort of your home or office, you've unlocked a plethora of new voice options in whichever language suits your current projects. Keep this tool in mind next time you're crafting multilingual content, expanding your reach to numerous cultural and linguistic audiences. Thank you for watching, and happy creating with Elevenlabs.